Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. This is a jewelry shop commercial. Well, I have this image and also I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. We use filter called Find Edges. I'm gonna make something different, interesting, hopefully impressive image from these two images. Well, I'm interested in illustration type image from photograph. So I'm gonna try to make some kind of illustration. As a matter of fact, I made a watercolor image last year from this image. This time, I want to try some kind of dry media type illustration. Well, let me try. Let's get started. I'm going to duplicate this layer, then I'm going to, smudge this image first. I like Evolve. This brush is real nice. Okay, let's see. Well, this setting that jewelry is pretty fun because we got these egg shells, then make a hole like this, then just moving that pearl necklace into these holes. That's just the intuition to make this kind of background. Just set up these eggs and making holes and set up something upside down and stuff. So it took me too long time, about I think 4 or 5 hours easy to just set up. Then this is not digital at all. These are all analog set, of course. So we usually use the glue gun to fix these jewelries just right on time. So you see some little bit grooves here that time. That's so easy nowadays. Just put on anything you want and just take it out in the Photoshop like that, right? Well, but same thing, you have to have idea what image is gonna be. You have to know, I guess. Well, anyways, this is creative work and real fun making an image. Well, almost done for smudging inside the jewelries and main subject. Now I go for outside. Let's make it bigger size to make some. Alright, almost done. Now I can touch up later. And let's see the image overall. Okay, we have this pencil drawing type image. Turn it on and change blend mode. Once you turn into a linear burn, you'll see like that. Pretty nice. Color burn. Shiny. Luminosity. Usually we can get some kind of pastel color like illustration from this luminosity. Well, we can try some. Well, let's see then. Luminosity 50%. Yeah. Okay, select. Well, make group of 2 images. One is pencil drawing type image. Duplicate this group. Then flatten these 2 images to make one layer. Blend mode turn into normal. Now turn off this group. Then this is too pretty thin, so I'm gonna make duplicate again, and one of the top one, change blend mode to multiply, so goes darker image. Even though the pencil drawing type image is kind of too dark, maybe. Let's see, turn it off. Yeah, this is too thin, huh? Well, how about not multiply, just darken? No. Or, yeah. Compared to multiply and linear color burn. Color burn's more sharp. Look at, it's kind of sharp color burn, huh? So, in this image, I think, yeah, this is kind of dull. Okay, why don't I check this color burn? Yeah. Okay, base image, just want one of this image, change blend mode normal to color burn, and well, I'm gonna merge now. Now we got this image base. This is a normal image, smudged image. This is the one. I just add luminosity and bring up the contrast, huh? But I want this necklace to be kind of shiny image, so I'm gonna use, let's see, turn this one off. Wow. Now I'm going to change normal image, then use this pencil drawing type like divide, shows up real shiny. So I may use this image on this image, huh? So make it more shiny look. So make this new group. I'm gonna make another image from this. So okay, duplicate this layer, then flatten this image. Now we got the shiny image. Now I'm gonna combine to this image, right? That's later on. I'm gonna do that on around here. Rings and silverware, silver image. But I kind of like this kind of image too. Okay, now this is the base image, which is this one now, and shiny image is this. Okay, these two images are gonna be that base image, right? Now I wanna make mask. Airbrushing to soft blend. Yeah, let's see it. Doesn't turn in like what I like or what I expected, huh? Even though I lighten up this silver, but I want the line, pencil drawing type line, to be darker. So I'm gonna move this base, pencil drawing type image, move this one up, then change blend mode to darken. This is 50% now. It's too darker. But this divide means this dark line should be the white. It's gonna delete, hide same place, huh? So in that case though, let's see if I change this one back to divide, which means change colors. That's interesting too. Rose to red. That's interesting effect. Now turn it off right now, and let's see this mask. Oh, goes light. Oh, because of this is divide also. This is too much, so down just about 50%, half. We'll go down to 30%, divide. It's lighten up, huh? Okay, just turn it off now. Then let's see this mask again. Goes to lighter, but this is too much. Maybe tone down just a touch, about 50% again. Yeah, now it shows this is a smudged base image, right? Well, smudged and luminosity double, I think, almost. Okay, we got the base image. Oh, this is a smudged image, huh? Base image. Okay, let's see. If I turn this one on, shows light more. Okay, just leave it this way, and let's see about this image. Okay, this one is just lighten up these areas, masked. Okay, I'm gonna change the rename, otherwise I'm kind of confused. So rename this one divide effect image. Then okay, luminosity effect, rename. Okay, then I made mask on this dark area. Then this is just divide on pencil drawing type image. Now this is divide effect base image. Okay, clean up again. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of group. Then I'm gonna delete this group. Now I want to check. This is base image photograph. Then this one is smudged base. So okay, this is smudged base. This is normal base image. Then turn it off, these two. Now divide effect base image. Then this is luminosity effect 50% with mask. Okay, this is luminosity effect. Max is too dark, so I'm gonna turn this one down to 50%. That's pretty thin. Well, I can use this as a base. Okay, now this is divide. So I want to see this divide image. I made mask on this luminosity effect. So just lighten up. Doesn't change, which means this is divide effect base image, right? Smudged base. This mask effects only here. This is a part. Well, if I turn this one on, how can I make it more interesting than this? Just a straight image, nothing much different. This is just pencil drawing type image, so I'm gonna, even I changed anything like different blend mode, doesn't make any big difference. But let's see, I just want to see if I, well, leave this one as a normal. Okay, I'm gonna make mask. Now reveal with evolve. Okay. Okay, this is cool. Not showing everything, some of it. Yeah, I guess that's it. How's this now? Yeah, this is it. Then I don't want to show this. I mean, I'm gonna paint white on this here. Just take these black lines out. some of the image, and then turn on this mask. Well, I guess that's it. Something like illustration type image, huh? Well, I think this is it for today. Yeah, what do you think? Alright, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work and using smudge, mask, and also changing some blend mode to express the straight image. Well, that's about it. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.